Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Black color. Heart. Heart. Trapezium. Trapezium. Hexagon. Hexagon. Star. Star. Semicircle. Semicircle. Oval. Oval. Off-white color. White color. Black color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Orange color. Sky blue color. Heart. Pink color. Trapezium. Black color. Hexagon. Red color. Star. Yellow color. Semicircle. Green color. Oval. Sky blue color. Heart. Pink color. Trapezium. Black color. Hexagon. Red color. Star. Yellow color. Semicircle. Green color. Oval. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.